up, guys? Today I am going to put a sticker in my new Chevrolet Tahoe. As you guys know that yesterday or before yesterday we buy a new car. Means we buy before, and we received the car before yesterday. And inside it's kind of good, but there in my Land Cruiser over there, inside there is my name written, and outside also, because as you guys can see here also, the name is here, Ali Mughal in the outside, and up there is a crown, and inside also there is Ali Shabab Big Bird on my old name. But the windows are tinted, I cannot show up, but you can see a little bit over there on the white window is tinted, that's why you can see kinda slow. And so today we are going and putting sticker inside of my Tahoe, and I will guys show you how they put the sticker. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I am in Shoaik, so today I'm gonna show my full car review, and now I'm here to put my name on the car inside. So I'm gonna guys show you how and where we are going to put. This side we are going to write my name over here, and we'll write our name, and I will meet you there when we are sticking our camera. No, why we are sticking our camera? We're sticking our text, yeah. So now they will take the size from the inside of the car, so he's coming to take the sign.
कितना बड़ा चाहिए?
So he did the size from here to here is full 4 centimeter, from here to here, and long this much is full 20 centimeter. Now he will print it, now he will just stick it, so I will show you how it's fixed. Let's go.
Shitty boy. Buffed up like a jock, geeked up like a nerd. Buffed up like a jock, geeked up like a nerd. Buffed up like a jock, geeked up like a nerd. Bitch, I fly like a bird, I'm the shit like a turd. Evidence in the stash case, the boys trying to serve beans on the block, off white, something like my shirt.
So now the sticker is ready, we'll go and put it. The interior, and on the side we have Ali Mughal. It's Ali Mughal. And yeah, that's my name, and we buy the new car yesterday. That vlog is also came on YouTube now. You guys can go and see it. So in my before Land Cruiser also I have my same name, but that's the fake name on my YouTube, on my TikTok. It's name Ali Shabab Big Bird, so I have put in the Land Cruiser. But in my new car, I have wrote Ali Mughal. So let's go. And we.
ਲੱਗੇ ਪਿਆ ਬਿਲਬੋਰਡ feeling like I'm a god ਤੇਰੇ ਯੱਟ ਦਾਨੀ ਤੋਂ ਖੁੱਲੀ ਥੱਪੀ ਮਾਰਤਾ ਹਾਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਂ ਹਾਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਂ ਹਾਂ
So this was the video. If you like it, press the subscribe button and like the video. More videos like this, and I will show you after another video for the car reviews. Let's go. Oh, it didn't go.